Welcome to the module demonstration for audit planning and scheduling. This module primarily helps the company to plan an audit and schedule the audits within an audit plan. So let me start with defining an audit plan. So we just say audit plan. We give an audit cycle reference, which typically indicates the year for which the audit is happening, the quarter or year. You can pick a model against the audit. Say for example, we want to do an audit against ISO 27001. We can say, okay, this audit will start on 20th of September and go up to 24th of September. Who is the audit coordinator? We can say VC Kiran. And then we can give a scope saying all departments, or the location, something like that we can give and save it. Now once we have an audit plan created, we need to create an audit schedule. For creating an audit schedule, you need to press the audit schedule button. Right now if you see, it just opened blank and it is not showing any project to be audited. It is showing no project to be audited because no project has been selected as auditable. So for doing that, what we need to do is to look at the projects and say, for example, this particular project, we need to go to the overview module and we need to make the project auditable. So let me say this is Excel project. ID is 1003. And here is a button called auditable or a flag called auditable, which we need to click and we need to add this. Once we have a project auditable, then we can see it in the audit schedule and plan audit for that. So for example, now if I go to the audit plan, look at audit schedule and I say add, now you see this project has become auditable. These locations are wherever your locations are, Hyderabad. Auditee, because this is the only person who is assigned to the project, it comes like this. You can choose a particular audit checklist for the audit. You can say the audit status is open. For defining auditors, you need to put people in the auditing role, which I will also do now. So what you need to do, go to staffing master. In staffing master, you need to define people to be the auditor. So for example, I take the company and this is the company name, employee name, and I give a role called auditor. Once I give a role called auditor, this person would be able to audit the projects. So now I have defined one person as the auditor. So if I go to the compliance module again, go to audit plan and look at the audit schedule. I need to project, location, auditee is the person who is assigned to the project, checklist is the audit checklist, auditor, I have this particular auditor available. I can put an audit date saying that on 20th and this audit will happen at 2 p.m. Audit will happen at 2 p.m. and I can save. So now I have created the audit plan, and similarly I can add more projects to this thing to make sure that the audit is done. And in fact, if you do not see the audit status, I think I did not put the audit status, so I'll make it as open. I'll make this as the checklist and just save again. So for the projects which are open, you will have an option to send mail. So that means it will send a mail to the auditor and auditee saying that this audit is not completed, so please complete the audit.